Spinach rotis are Indian flatbreads and they are healthy, delicious and really easy to make. And today I will show you how to prepare them at home. We are going to prepare a spinach puree to make the dough, for which I will take a few leaves of fresh spinach which I have washed multiple times. You will need roughly around 100 to 120 grams of spinach leaves, but adding more or less won't make a big difference. Add a small piece of fresh ginger, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic and 1 green chili, which is totally optional and mainly for the heat. Add half cup water, and now we are going to blend this in a mixer grinder jar to make a smooth puree. You have to be careful with the amount of water, as adding too much can make the dough sticky. Let the mixer run for a minute or two until the puree turns smooth and watery. Now take 2 cups of whole wheat flour. I have already posted multiple videos on Roti where I have explained different whole wheat flours. For more details, you can check out the Indian flatbread playlist on my channel. Add 1 teaspoon carom seeds and 1 teaspoon salt. Now we will start mixing the spinach puree and make a dough from this. Some recipes online add spices like coriander powder, garam masala or other masalas, but those are totally optional and don't make much difference. Since spinach already has a very strong flavor of its own, simply adding salt is enough. Keep adding the spinach puree and keep kneading the dough until it turns non-sticky and smooth. This process will take a few minutes. Like I have mentioned earlier, you have to be careful with the water in the puree because adding too much water will make the dough sticky. Half cup water is perfect for 2 cups of flour. Your dough should be medium firm, neither too hard nor too soft, and it should not be sticky. Just in case the spinach puree runs out and your dough still needs moisture, you can use plain water. Once your dough is ready, add a few drops of oil and spread it evenly all over. This removes any stickiness and helps while rolling the rotis. We will let the dough rest for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the dough is set and fully ready to make the spinach rotis. It's very easy to make rotis, but you will need some dry flour, a rolling pin and a rolling board. Take a small ball of dough and roll it between your hands. For a good roti, just make sure there are no cracks and try to pick a medium sized dough ball. Use a lot of dry flour and start rolling it out. Go slow and keep dusting with flour in the beginning, as that helps keep it from sticking. Spinach rotis are usually very thin, so roll them as thin as possible. You can see the thickness of mine here. It's quite thin, but if you are a beginner, making small rotis is easier. Some people cut the edges for a perfect shape, but that's totally up to you. Keep moving the rotis in your hands to shake off any excess flour. Before placing the roti on the pan, just make sure it is hot. In about 15 to 20 seconds, flip it on the other side. After another 15 to 20 seconds, flip again. Since spinach rotis are thin, they cook really fast, so stay close. Use a kitchen towel or paper towel to press gently the edges. Just make sure it's fully cooked, especially around the sides. A fluffy roti is always fully cooked, so try to make it puff if possible. In about 1.5 minutes, your roti will be ready. Do not overcook it, otherwise it will get too hard. Apply a little butter on the roti, as it make it taste better and keep it soft for a long time. Now this recipe was for spinach roti, but you can also make a spinach parantha, where I have followed the exactly same process. But after flipping the roti, you can apply butter, oil or desi ghee. Making spinach parantha is always a great option, since cooking with a bit of fat keep it soft, make it more delicious and increases the shelf life. The only situation where you might skip the fat is if you are on a weight loss journey, since adding fat definitely increases calories. But overall, this dish is very healthy with no bad ingredients. Just follow the same steps. Apply the fat of your choice on both sides and cook it until it's done. Using this technique, you can make multiple spinach rotis at a time, and you can even store them in refrigerator for a few days. The flatbread tastes really good with yogurt, but you can enjoy it with pickle or saved tomato like I have made here. You can see these rotis are extremely soft and thin, and using butter just make them extra soft. They taste really good, so do try them out. You can check out saved tomato recipe by clicking this video, and I will see you over there.